K2141b. In addition to its molten lava oceans and supersonic winds, this planet, hundreds of light years away from Earth, boasts boulder-forming rain. Researchers have labeled the strange, hellish exoplanet one of the most extreme finds ever made. Scientists discovered that the planet's atmosphere and weather cycle were exceedingly unusual. The surface, ocean, and atmosphere of the exoplanet appear to be made of the same materials. Guess what these things are? Rocks. According to an examination of the world's illumination pattern, almost two-thirds of the planet experiences continual daylight. The same side of K2141b always faces the star because of gravitational locking by its proximity to its star. This scorchingly hot area of the planet experiences temperatures that can approach 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is high enough to melt and vaporize the rocks, creating an inhospitable environment. The rest of the planet is absolutely black, and it gets down to minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit there. Water on Earth evaporates, condenses, and then re-evaporates, producing rain. Imagine the same process occurring without water in K2141b, which has just rocks to work with. Mineral vapor is transported to the planet's dark side by supersonic winds traveling at over 3,100 miles per hour, when sodium, silicon monoxide, and silicon dioxide vaporize to form a mineral vapor. When rocks rain back down into the 60-mile deep magma ocean, the cycle is then resumed. This cycle is not as stable as the one on Earth, say scientists. It takes longer for the magma ocean to migrate from the night side to the day side. Experts predict that as time goes on, the mineral composition will change, radically altering the planet's surface and atmosphere. Just be grateful that Earth's occasionally intense heat wave doesn't last forever and causes boulders to rain down from the sky. As is often said, not everything that glitters is gold. This is the case with HD 189733b, where showers of molten glass are falling. The distance of this terrifying world from Earth is merely 64 light-years, making it the closest hot Jupiter to our planet. It may look like a lovely deep blue marble floating serenely in space, but if you dared to approach this enormous gas giant, you would swiftly come to regret your choice. This gas giant planet revolves around its star every 2.2 days, and it turns out that the planet's gorgeous blue hue is a result of its deadly weather, particularly its glass-melting rains. But when it comes to the planet's strange weather patterns, this is simply the tip of the iceberg. The exoplanet also experiences winds of about 5,600 miles per hour, 9,000 kilometers per hour. Instead of falling straight down, glass rain on the exoplanet curves sideways toward the ground, and supersonic winds collect silicate particles and turn them into tiny missiles. For a planet of this size, this exoplanet has a far higher atmosphere than astronomers would predict. Depleted atmospheres